Hey guys, imagine opening your feed and seeing this. A clean cinematic skincare ad, a cyberpunk short with synced sound, and one source video instantly localized into multiple languages with matching wit, subtitles, and faces. It looks like a full production pipeline was behind it. But the whole point is, it was all done inside one platform. Now here is why that matters. You just filmed a killer product clip. Now you need to upscale it to 4K, remove the watermark, swap the background, translate the subtitles for a Japanese market, and style it for TikTok. So you open Runway, then Pika, then a separate upscaler, then a subtitle editor. 2 hours later, the trend is dead and you have not posted anything. That is the exact problem WeryAI was built to solve. Let's dive in. WeryAI is basically a central kitchen for AI video and image creation. Everything lives in one place, one interface, from first prompt to final export. No tab switching, no re-uploading, no watermark chaos. Here's what the actual workflow looks like. Let's start with e-commerce. Say you are a skincare brand with zero production budget. You upload a clean white background product shot. Use background replacement to drop it into a lifestyle scene. Generate a matching ad visual set with the e-commerce suite. Then animate that same image into a short clip using image to video. Add one watermark removal pass, one 4K enhancement, and done. Full campaign set in under 30 minutes. Now switch gears. Say you are a solo YouTube creator building a cyberpunk short. You write a prompt, generate the clip with Sora 2 or Google Veo 3.1, which can give you synchronized audio and video straight out of the box. You lock character design with a still reference using image-based video. Use Kling for audio synced generation, and Runway Gen 4.5 for that more cinematic, physically coherent look. Then one click through 4K Ultra HD enhancement, and it is ready to publish. And this is where it gets even more practical. If you are a marketing team localizing content across multiple markets, you can shoot one video, use AI lip sync and face replacement for each language version, run subtitle auto erase to strip the original captions, add translated subtitles, and export multiple market-ready cuts from one edit.
Quiet. The most interesting part begins now.
WeryAI is a revolution in video creation.
What used to eat up a full post-production day becomes a morning task. Under the hood, the model lineup is serious. Video runs on Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Kling 2.6 Pro, and Runway Gen 4.5. For images, you get Midjourney style flexibility, Flux for high-quality output, Seedream 5.0 for precise layouts and multi-image fusion, and Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 inference engines for faster results. ChatGPT sits on top, handling multimodal understanding, so you can generate and edit based on what is already inside an image. And the editing stack goes deeper too. Smart video extension, AI motion simulation, vintage photo restoration, image translation, text erasure, image quality enhancement. All of it inside the same dashboard, without jumping into extra third-party tools just to finish the job. The one honest trade-off is that with this many models and tools, your first few projects are where you learn which engine fits which job best. But once that clicks, the variety becomes the advantage. Even beginners can follow the workflow and get output that looks way more expensive than it should. One platform, top-tier models, campaign-level output, without needing to build some messy, multi-tool pipeline every time. The link to join WeryAI is in the description. Go test text to video, run something through 4K enhancement, and see how it fits your workflow. And drop a comment telling me how you would use it. Ads, short films, social content, or something totally different. If this was useful, subscribe and hit the bell. More AI and creative tool deep dives are coming, and you do not want to miss them.